Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write 20 birds' name in English and Hindi. First one is P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. We say peacock in Hindi as more. Second, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. We say parrot in Hindi as tota. Third, M-Y-N-A, maina. We say maina in Hindi as maina. Fourth, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. We say eagle in Hindi as cheel. Fifth, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. We say cuckoo in Hindi as koyal. Sixth, C-R-O-W, crow. We say crow in Hindi as kawa. Seventh, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. We say pigeon in Hindi as kabutar. Eighth, D-U-C-K, duck. We say duck in Hindi as batak. Ninth, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. We say ostrich in Hindi as shuturmurg. Tenth one, O-W-L, owl. We say owl in Hindi as ullu. 11th, C-O-C-K, cock. We say cock in Hindi as murga. 12th, H-E-N, hen. We say hen in Hindi as murgi. 13th, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. We say flamingo in Hindi as rajhans. 14th, G-O-O-S-E, goose. We say goose in Hindi as kalhans. 15th, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. We say penguin in Hindi as penguin. 16th, K-I-T-E, kite. We say kite in Hindi as garood. 17th, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. We say woodpecker in Hindi as katfodwa. 18th, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. We say sparrow in Hindi as goraiya. 19th, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. We say vulture in Hindi as gidh. 20, N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. We say nightingale in Hindi as bulbul. So friends, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.